Oh, another thing is, if y'all hear a lot of noise, that's a dishwasher. Yeah.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Take 5. Hey guys, so today is going to be another cooking video, and what I'm going to be cooking today is chicken, potatoes, and asparagus. It's going to be so good. I can't wait. So let's just get right on into it, okay? After you're done cleaning the chicken, you're going to put it into a pan with foil inside. You're going to season the chicken and then spread a cap full of oil inside the pan. Now the chicken is ready to go in the oven, so you're going to slap some foil on top and put it right in. The chicken isn't done. We're just adding barbecue sauce and then putting it right back in the oven for, I would say, another 30 minutes. Y'all, I'm so tired and I'm still cooking. Look who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, guys, I'm just waiting on the food to be done. The chicken is already done. I'm just waiting for the potatoes and the asparagus. The asparagus shouldn't take that much longer, but it's the potatoes that's going to take a minute. So, I'm gonna hit you back. Okay, so the food is finally done, and I'm going to put it all in my meal prep. Ooh, some water splashed on me. I'm gonna put it all in my meal prep containers, and now I'm gonna show you the finishing touches. Here are the finishing touches, baby. I don't play when it comes to the kitchen, baby. I'm not even gonna taste test it because you know what? I know it's good. That concludes this video for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on those post notifications. I'll talk to y'all later. Deuce.